Hey guys, so we're headed into the New York Aquarium that's in Brooklyn down by Coney Island. This is our first time ever going to the aquarium, and we're bringing the baby along, baby Jen. It's a long train ride from the city, about an hour and 15 minutes on the Q line or the F line from the Upper East Side. I actually just purchased a yearly membership, which is about $195. And it covers me and my wife and the baby since he's free. And we can get in as many times as we want for 12 months to the aquarium and all 4 zoos. There's one in Queens, one in Central Park, which is near where we live. There's one, which is the biggest one in the Bronx, and also one in Prospect Park in Brooklyn. And one cool thing about this is that it's also right next to the famous Coney Island amusement park. So we're gonna check that out once we're done as well. So yeah, tickets typically for adults are about $32 for the weekend. I think it's about $29 during the weekday off peak. But since we have the pass, we're all good and all set to go. One thing to note is that you have to make reservations kind of online for what day and what time you want to come. Also, there's parking rates here if you want to drive in. You can see right here.
Is it 1 o'clock?
Oh, yeah, 1.
All right, guys, so I'll check you inside.
That one's dirty. Switch.
Here's a map of the total aquarium here. You can plan your day out. And as soon as you get through the general admission, kind of have a small aquarium here.
Let's go.